here to use the washroom. Everybody's sleeping. The weather is very cold, guys. I think it's a single digit temperature. I don't know what it is, but single digit for sure. It's a cold line. So it's okay, not bad. So let's go back now. Meet you on our breakfast in the morning.
Very cool morning.
Look at that, guys. What a peaceful atmosphere right now. And this landscape. Oh man, what a beauty. Actually, the sun is behind the school also. Maybe you guys can't see, but there's a lot of land squirrel here. Actually, this is their territory, and we are camping here. And look at that! What a beautiful atmosphere! Like in front of me, it's a Watertown Lake. Behind our lake, there's mountains. If you go to the southwest side, watch out this mountain. Okay. And if you go more on the west side, look at those mountains, guys. Wow. What a beautiful atmosphere. It's a heaven on earth, guys. Look at that. Wow. And this is the time of our breakfast, so I'll let you know what's the menu for today.
Good morning, everyone. So, right now, what we are doing, KB?
So hey guys, how are you? It's our kind of brunch time. We are preparing our brunch. So the menu for today is we have spicy sausages. We have beef smoked roast, right? I just put the sausages in, and then we're gonna scramble egg as well. We have bread, man, and on the top of it we have a KB and Dia blueberry blossom honey. It's one of the unique and best honey, guys. Wow, so we're gonna use this one as well.
And everybody loves it.
Everybody love it, yeah. So our sausages are in. I'm gonna put low flame to see how it is. So once our platter is ready, I'll get back to you guys. So our platter are ready. Scrambled egg, sausages, beef smoke roast, and our breads are in the toaster. So as soon as it's gonna done, we're gonna start our breakfast. Actually, it's brunch. Thank you very much for watching us. But this honey, man, is mind blowing. It's a KB and Dia blueberry blossom honey. Oh man, on the heaven on the earth. It's one of the goodies from the heaven, man. It's awesome. You should try. Granted, you will love it, man. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna finish our breakfast and meet you again.
So enjoy your breakfast.
Hey guys, one of the finest honey on the earth, which is KB and Dia blueberry blossom honey. Oh man, what a honey! It's a darker the honey, better the benefits. Oh man, what a honey, guys. So I'm gonna use with my I just heat up my toast, and we're doing camping actually, you know, and this is the heaven on the earth. It's a Watertown, guys. So I just open it up. Man, look at that, the color of the honey, guys. Darker honey. It's blueberry blossom honey, guys. Wow, look at that, man. Did you ever see before, guys? and guaranteed you will love it, guys. And honey makes you perfect. Every morning, couple of teaspoon of honey, or maybe whatever you like it. Oh man, I'm gonna put a little bit more. I'm pretty much generous about the honey, guys. I love the honeys. So you guys should try KB and Dia blueberry blossom honey. Just search on the Google. You will find KB and Dia more products. Some more honey, guys. Oh wow. Yeah, do you want it?
Yep.
There you go. That's for you. And
Thank you very much.
I'm gonna make my toast as well. So see you in the next So this is our tea time, guys. Our tea is about to ready. I'm brewing it right now.
Oh, what a color.
Look at that, guys. Oh man. Just check the atmosphere, man. Like you're sitting between the mountain in front of you. You have a very peaceful lake. People are enjoying here. And in the middle of the jungle, we are making tea. Oh wow. Yeah, what a atmosphere, guys.
It's a very ideal situation.
Look at that. The boil is started here, guys. Look at that, Dia. Oh, Molly. There you go.
This is the life.
This should be the life, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is.
I'm still brewing it. Thank you very much for watching us.
Enjoy your tea.
With the
And
Enjoy
enjoy the
Star-
tea with us, guys.
And with our channel Enjoy Star Food.